Hi, this is Mariano from Instadeq. In this video we will see how to use Pusher as a source for Instadeq visualizations. First you need to sign up and sign in into Pusher. You will get into this dashboard. Then click on the left on Channels Apps and select one application. You can create one if you don't have one. Then go to Getting Started and make sure that you are on the JavaScript example. Well, you can take the values from all of them, but this is the one I'm using. Then go to Instadeq and create a new visualization or open an existing one. In the sources section, select the pusher source and you can copy the key from here. Check that cluster is the same and select your channel name and your event. By default, they have the same values and click OK. Then you can go either using the API or using the debug console. You can create some events. Click here on Show Event Creator and let's add a number here and you can click Send Event. You can see here that it appears and we can try to create a visualization. Let's do num by name and let's send some extra values. You can see that every new value appears, and with enough data we can select a chart and display it. This was how to use Pusher as a source for Instadeq visualizations. If you have any question, just comment or contact us on any social media channel.